I think that's cotton. So cute. We can focus on that. You can focus on a little bee or a flower or a leaf. Perfect for focusing. Hello. Wow, I'm focusing on the camera. I can see you. Hello. Hello. So bored. Maybe I could make some binocular to see through this gorgeous jungle we see. See, all you need is 2 toilet paper rolls, a bottle of glue, or a stick, one of those watery glues usually. That's perfect. Then 2 bottles of paint. Then we could just if you can just have this just in case. For painting, you need a paintbrushes.
Do you like my hairstyle? I did it all by myself. I invented it actually. It's an O-bun. I call it an O-bun. I could teach you that in another video. Now dip it in some paint and then paint it. 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 Paint, 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 paint. Paint it, paint it, wow. Paint it, paint it, paint it, paint it, paint. Fill in the gaps if you'd like. Yep, that's done. Then you keep it for drying. Take the smaller paintbrush. So take the smaller paintbrush and dip it in the darker paint and polka dots. Yes, polka dots. I love polka dots. You need to make it colorful to make it cooler, right? La 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 la. The reason we need darker paint is because we need it to stand out, right? And you need to... The reason why we need darker paint this time because the paint needs to stand out against the lighter paint. And then red and blue, the best examples I could find. Red and blue. Red, bloop, 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 bloop. And polka dots are easier than stripes because stripes take a lot longer, and you can use stripes if you'd like, but I'm just doing polka dots because I'm almost done. We're nearly done this side too. Yeah, that's done. That's enough. Let's just keep this aside and move on to the next one. And then on the other one, let's just connect the dots together and make a bigger one. Attach it like that because I just made a mistake. And whenever you make a mistake, you can turn it into something better than just a mistake. You could turn it into something really cool, and that's what I did. So I made it into a design now. And hello? Hello? Now we have to glue it together. Oops. And now it's time to glue. Now take the glue and apply it on the side. And now let's safely leave it for drying. Wow, it's really working. It's really working. Oh, hi. The binoculars is actually working. Like when you want to focus on one thing. Like, just say you want to focus on there. What I do is I just show it there. It shows in a circle. I can really focus on one thing. It's like an electronic device, that has the focus thing. You know the camera that has the focus thing? So you can focus, but there is no button called focus. Let's focus on my foot. What about the sky? We don't see it up close like we wanted it to, but it helps you focus.